I sense my friends are doing something fishy. What to do? Ganesh is the child of God, whose head got cut off by God, and then replaced with an elephant's head. This is beautiful symbolism which really gives us something to think about. You are a child of God as a human being. Elephant is symbolic of someone great, the long trunk is symbolic of your discernment power. You know, like people say, I can smell a rat, or I can smell money, or you can tell it's around. Discernment. Big ears, you know what's going on. Little eyes, you are not looking. You don't poke your nose where it doesn't belong. Elephant is said to have a very long memory, and elephant is always the symbol of humility. So, the myth is, if you wish to become free and come into your power, you have to have an ego death, you have to get that head cut off. This is Nerd Speak. I am happy to help.